It can often take weeks to perfect a new school policy, but after all that work, we often end up emailing a 10-page PDF to parents, only to spend the next month answering the same 3 questions on the phone. So today we're stopping the PDF bloat. I'm going to show you how to use NotebookLM to turn dry, legalistic documents into parent-friendly FAQs that actually get read. Let's take a look. The problem isn't your policy, it's the translation. Parents don't need the legal citations or the governor-approved appendices. If they've just been sent your new mobile phone policy, they want to know, does my child need a locker? And what happens if I need to call them? We're going to use the studio features of NotebookLM to find those answers in seconds. We're back in our walled garden of NotebookLM. I've uploaded the new zero tolerance mobile phone policy for St. Algorithms. It's a dense document, valuable for governors, but a massive barrier for a busy parent on their lunch break. Using NotebookLM, we are moving beyond simple archiving. We're architecting a way to communicate. Now, if you're new to the walled garden setup, check out some of my other videos on NotebookLM basics first. So let's take a look at this process in action. Now, our mobile phone policy is over here, but we're heading straight to the Notebook Studio and selecting the report section. Now, if you've previously used NotebookLM, you might remember that there was once a single-click FAQ button. This sadly is now gone. Instead, we're going to click on the Create Your Own feature to architect our own solution. So watch this. I'm going to give a direct prompt here, and I'm probably there, generate a frequently asked questions list using only the provided policy sources. But here's the architect's trick. I'm going to refine that report by asking it to rewrite this for a non-education audience. Keep it warm, clear, and focused on practicalities. So I'm going to whack that generate button. Here we go. And it's going to have a little think and it's starting to generate it. Now it's going to take a few moments to generate the document, but when it does, it should have clear information on parent focused queries. A dense legal document is going to be transformed into a helpful conversation for your parents. Now, while we wait for that document, I need to point out that you're not, and I emphasize not, going to give parents access to your NotebookLM. Instead, you're going to export the document it produces and pop it into, for example, a Google Doc or a Word doc. Do not give parents access, even read-only access, to your walled garden. Now, we know AI can make mistakes or assumptions, so we definitely don't want parents to be presented with an answer that potentially doesn't fully align with your policy. Great, so here we go. So we've got a report just here. Now to extract it or export it, we click on the 3 dots and we've got export to docs. Or you could click on the share button if you want it to something that's not a Google tool. So let's click on it. Let's see what it's come up with. And our vision, creating a walled garden for your child. Lots of information here. Off and away rule. This is nice. It's look at this. It's created a table. It's broken it down by year groups. Now, again, it's quite a lot of information, but it's certainly less than handing them the mobile phone policy directly. But also, if you are extracting it and exporting it into perhaps Google Docs, you could refine it further. And at that point, you can check that the clarity and the message in your policy has been pulled through by the AI. The workflow for our policy translator is built on a simple 3-step logic. Step 1, the vault. Upload your dense, raw policy into the secure walled garden of NotebookLM. Step 2, the extraction. Use the reports feature to generate a clear, accurate list of FAQs. Step 3, the translation. Refine the output for your parent audience, keeping it warm, practical, and clear. You aren't just archiving a rule book, you are actively building a bridge between the school and the home. As ever, my critical health warning on keeping the human in the loop. Firstly, pillar 1, verified drafts. This is a translation, not the source of truth. Always cross-reference the AI's FAQ against the original board-approved policy before it goes live. Secondly, secure delivery. Never share your internal notebook link. Keep your walled garden private and simply copy the text into your school newsletter or website. And finally, pillar 3, professional tone. The AI provides the clarity, but you provide the empathy. Ensure the final version reflects your school's unique voice and professional standards. And that's the policy translator using NotebookLM. Give your parents the answers they actually need and give your office staff their Tuesday afternoons back. I've loads more videos about NotebookLM and AI on my website. The link is below. But for the minute, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.